Hello, my dear friends. Hi, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine and enjoying the best condition of health. So, friends, today my video is about most gorgeous and trendy collection of leather dresses. Very pretty, very stylish, office wear, party wear, wedding wear. Lovely peoples for special, different color, different design, different ideas. Leather pencil skirt, leather dresses you will see in this video. Outfits for women and girls of 2025. Very amazing designing ideas I bring for you. I hope you love this beautiful collection and enjoying this video. So if you like the video, then please share my videos with your friends and family members, and please support me by subscribing to my channel. After subscription, press on the bell icon to get all the notification of my upcoming video. My dear friends, if you want to be updated about latest and trendy fashion for women, so please visit my YouTube profile also. Daily 100 more new ideas you will get after visiting my channel. Friends, I try to bring very useful contents and useful videos for you. They can get very amazing ideas after watching this video. So I say please watch this video till end and keep sharing, keep subscribing to my channel for more updates and more videos. And please give your feedback in the comment section. Please tell me how was the video, how was the designing. Your positive feedback encourage me and support me. May you soon with another awesome and gorgeous collection of latest ladies fashion contents. See you all soon. Take care. Goodbye.